Hey guys, we're back out on the boat recording our beginners fishing series. We're now crowded out. We got Max and Adam on the boat fishing with us. They've caught a bunch of fish already today, and yeah, so we're taking them out to do a bit more fishing out on the big boat. And yeah, I've got a freaking fish here.
I think I was on your line.
I've got a fish.
Because I felt moving.
There's a nice one.
So I hooked your line.
Yeah.
That's why I
So
felt...
I'm busy. Adam, just take your over one. Yes, the bigger fish are definitely sitting on this outside edge.
So, because I felt tick, tick, tick on mine. And I was like, yeah.
That was my fish swimming through. He's choked it as well. Okay guys, I'm going to show you. So now I was helping Adam get this, get his line sorted out. So this fish
He's bleeding.
Choked this bait. So he's bleeding, but he's totally fine. Now to get that hook out, all I'm going to do is I'm going to push the top of the hook down to his gills. I'm going to go in the side here and I'm going to pull it out like that. I don't know if you saw it. I want to get him in the water so that can clot, but he'll be fine. There he goes. He's strong. But that's what happens when they swallow the hooks. They call it a gut hook. So it often happens when you're not paying attention.
So he just swallowed that while you were detangling?
While I was literally chilling. So that just shows you guys like how we should be fishing. Got it. Brilliant. 2 minutes. So you want to be casting that out here. The bigger fish are sitting in the deeper water.
What do you mean when you say out, you say?
Out on this edge. So there's your shallow weed edge, the stand-up reeds on the bank, and then here's a deep channel, and those fish are going to be cruising up and down here and feeding.